In this video we are talking about how to delete watch history on Facebook 2022. Before get started, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. The steps are the same for both iPhone and Android phones to delete the watched videos on Facebook. Step number 1. Navigate to the Facebook app. Step number 2. Tap on the three lines. Step number 3. Swipe up and expand Settings and Privacy. Step number 4. Then, select Settings. Step number 5. Click on Profile Setting. Step number 6. Now click Activity Log under your Facebook information. Step number 7. Now apply filter of videos watched. Step number 8. Client on Clear Video History option on the top. Step number 9. Tap on Clear. That's it. If you have any questions, then write in the comment box below.